Do you have a lot of yard work that you need to be done in a hurry? Got a big project to brush and you need to do it quickly? This right here, I got an answer for you. Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here with BigRigTravels.com. We have a new product here, and we do a lot of reviews like this one here, but this one is special because it performed way better than I was expecting. This is a TomyVic 6-inch mini electric chainsaw. I'll be honest with you, I thought cordless chainsaw. It's not gonna do very good. I was wrong. Let's check this out. First off, you get a nice case. I'll show you what you get. I love this case first. Everything fits in it. You get you some safety gloves. You get you some safety goggles. Keep the wood out of your eyeballs. You get not one, but two 21-volt lithium batteries. These are the new improved versions. They last longer, they have more power. It does an excellent job. Snap in, I'll show you more about them, but they also have the overload, over temperature protection. So if something happens with the battery or your chainsaw, you don't have to worry about a fire. It's going to automatically shut itself off. Oil, you have your little charger. You plug this into the wall and you simply plug this in and you get not one, but two replacement chainsaws and a couple other little things. Instruction book. First off, this is a 550-watt motor, 6-inch chainsaw. When you turn it on and go to cutting, this will cut up to a 6-inch log or branch. This chain moves 19.2 feet per second. That's pretty good, that's pretty fast. 550-watt motor, I like it. It's got a safety switch. You go to turn it on and it won't let you. You must push this in and then you can turn it on. Safety guard, simply snap your batteries in like that, do this, and there you go. I'll tell you what, before we filmed this spot here, we went around filming, cutting some of the tree line, and we did some small branches, some big branches, some big logs. Didn't slow down, and we're still on the same original battery. I like this thing, it does great. In fact, if you look on Amazon, and the Amazon link down below, we are an Amazon affiliate. They did give us this sample to test, but I'm not going to fib. This is one heck of a product. Like I was gonna say, if you look on Amazon, you will see that out of 1,800 and something reviews, this has got a 4.5 rating. Now, as of the date of this filming, this was $70, but you get a 50% off coupon. That makes this $35 for two batteries, two sets of chains. I mean, wow. What can you buy for $35 that has a 4.5 rating? I like this. Two batteries, extra chainsaws, nice little instruction book. I mean, they even went to the trouble of giving you goggles and whatnot. I like it. You ought to test it out. BigRigSteve. BigRigTravels.com. I got some more brush cleanup to do. Check it out. I like it. But everything fits. Nice. Right back like it's supposed to. All right. I gotta go play. This thing does excellent. I've been cutting all morning and it's still going strong on the same original battery. See how easy that cuts? It's full of water.